What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got a Silverado locally here from Albuquerque, two-door, in for a sunroof install with some black suede. Just a normal one here at Rob's Customs. Let's check it out. Silverado. This thing had a nice paint job at once. Candy, looks like it. Get rid of all that and go with the black suede. Black out his handles, his visors. It's gonna look good. It's got the black dash already painted. So, alright guys, we got this one in. Silverado. Alright guys, we got the headliner done. Sunroof was installed. We did a lone school webasto. Check it out. Wired up. We're gonna put the headliner right in and then be ready to go. We're gonna paint the visors and the handle. This thing does not have a backlight. Alright guys, all done. Came out nice. These sunroofs are real quick and easy. Turn around.